Alright, in this lecture, we're going to learn how to draw hair. So we're going to do two examples. We're first going to do an example on a male and then an example on a female. Now, the first thing to understand about drawing hair is that you're drawing a form. So just like anything else, you're drawing a shape and adding highlights and shadows to it. You're not drawing individual lines that are strands of hair. If you think about it that way, it's just going to look like you have lines and sticks sticking off of your character's head. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with our male character. Now, I'm looking at some reference right now, and I recommend that when you add hair to your characters or your portrait drawings, that you have reference also. So you can go back and compare it and try to understand what's going on with the hair. So the first thing I like to do when I'm drawing my hair is I like to establish my hairline. And the hairline is just the line between the skin and the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and start to sketch that in. So first we get the sideburns right here, and then that goes and curves in just a little bit like so, and then it comes back up. Same with the other side, so it curves in just a little bit and then comes back up. And then we have a widow's peak on this hairline. So first it comes up like so, and then it comes back down just a little bit like so. So that's our basic hairline for our male character. Next, we want to go ahead and start adding in the shape of our hair. So the hair up here is basically slicked back into almost a big sort of a bump or a poof. And it comes off the head quite a bit. That's the thing that people make a lot of mistakes with when they're drawing hair, is they draw the hair right up to the skull or the shape of the head. And really, your hair usually comes off quite a bit. Maybe not this much, but it still comes off quite a bit. Then we're going to go ahead and add in this part over here. And same with this side. So now we have the basic shape of our hair. Now we can go ahead and start adding in some more detail. So I'm going to start by erasing away my head guideline. And then we're going to go ahead and start adding in the detail of where that hair is. So we're not drawing individual hair strands, but we are drawing some lines to indicate in which direction the hair is going. So I'm going to start sketching those in. I'll go ahead and start sketching that in over here also. And again, look at your reference and study it and try to understand where the hair is going and where it's coming from. Sometimes you have pieces that are going off in the opposite direction, or it might curve around a little bit. So make sure you add those in. That'll make your hair look a lot more realistic. Then over here we have a part, and it starts to go in the other direction. So now it's going in that direction rather than going in this direction. We can go ahead and add in the sideburn. Let's go ahead and move on to the other side. So on this side, it's actually pretty short looking. And then this hair comes off the head like so. And then we can go ahead and start adding in the hair over here. So the hair on top is much longer than the hair on the bottom. The shorter the hair, the closer it'll be to the actual shape of the head.